Well, got power. See if we can start. This key doesn't fit very well. Ooh. What's it doing? So we're getting no sound from the engine. Great. Start the motor. Okay, well, it's day 3 working on Maluch, or the Fiat 126. I'm going to have to get some more fuel and give it another go. So, got a battery the other day. I'm going to try and see if I can get it to turn over. Yeah. Okay, 2 levers here. One engages the alternator, no, the starter motor, and the other one's the choke. Okay. Over here. Okay, I think I turned the battery on. Okay, battery's on. Starter motor's on, choke's on, neutral. Need to get a new key, if this ever works. New lock. Oh yeah. It's probably the technique of doing this as well. Oh. Absolutely nothing. Oh, you know what. Right, trying to get the starter motor, which is down there. It looks like all the wires are really corroded at the front. But I'm going to take the exhaust off on this pipe here, just so I can get the starter motor, check it out. The access is pretty good once you take the boot off. It just basically slides off. That's a good design. Thank you, Fiat. Right, let's get cracked on. So I've got 2 nuts on this side. There's 2 nuts on this side. I've taken off. 2 on here. There's 1 left on there to go. Now I've got the back 2 off, so hopefully I can get the exhaust off. So I've been able to get all the bolts off with a 12mm socket, but I just can't seem to get that one on there. It's the only thing holding this exhaust on, I believe. I don't think there's anything else. Right, let's see if I can find a spanner. Right, got the exhaust off. There's my starter motor down there. Just need to get in a bit closer. Doesn't look all that clever down there. So I've got the starter motor off. Rested on some bricks because these cables are quite short. So I've got 2 there. The two here. So really I suppose I need to just find out if the starter motor works. So maybe it's just chuck it on the battery. See if I can get it to do something. Right, so after some jump leads. Oh, bonus. That's what I need. Right, so I've got everything I need. I've got the starter motor, got some jump leads, and I've got a battery that thinks it's a 6 volt. So let's see if I can do this one hand. Let's get the positive on first. So positive terminal on there. Yep. There's a negative on that side. So positive on here. On there. One day. Right, so the guy reckoned this turned over, but the engine wouldn't start because of a fuel problem. Now, the start motor isn't even working. So I think what I'll do is I'll give it a chance. I'll take this back to the garage, clean all these contacts up, and I might see if I can take this out or do something. Just see if I can get it to get it in a better condition and try again. But that's just not having it there. Right, let's take it to the garage. Right, this is the garage. I've got my workbench here. I've got a selection of tools, and I've got a chicken. Right, that's all you need. Right, kind of cleaned it up. I'll get some WD-40 on there, try the battery on it again and see what happens. But it's starting to look like it's going to be a new starter motor. I don't think I've got the gear here to take this apart and see if I can clean it up properly. So I'll see how much a new one is. Make things easier. Going to end up with a new car at this rate though. So I'm directly connected to the motor this time. So the motor works, the solenoid doesn't. Right, great. Getting somewhere. Kaput! Wardrobe. Hey, big lad. Right, that was covered yesterday. That was a very good job. Dog's been on again. Right. Oh, look at that. Jeez. Looks like they've been on the bloody rig. Got the batteries connected up. I've got a starter motor earthed. See if we get anything. Sparkies. Great, starter motor doesn't even work. So if the starter motor won't work, it's earthing. Yeah, great. Okay, I've got a new solenoid kit. I'll change that first before I do anything else. It might just be dirty connectors. It might be just that mightn't be very good connection on there. We shall see. Okay, managed to get the solenoid out. I didn't video it. It's really difficult doing this kind of stuff with one hand and using the other hand on the camera. I don't have any video equipment here in Poland. So anyway, got that out. The plunger is over here. I think it needs a little bit cleaning. I think I might try and find a wire brush, clean everything up first actually. That'd be the best thing. Sort of say, I think this is shorting out on the body. Oh man. I'm probably just going to have to take this motor apart actually and try and refurbish it as well, because that is shorting out on the body. You can get new ones of these. So Well dirty that. That one, there's no movement on it. Nothing on that brush. Oh, okay. This is going to need a bit of a clean. Right. Cut that off. There's an upside down. Yeah, seems alright. Here's this spinny thing. Looks really manky. Try to see if I can strip this down and give it a good clean. Wow, it's going to need some cleaning. Right, got some paper. That's all I could find. There's a 220. I'll have to do. Give this. Right, give them a bit of a clean. I'm going to find a toothbrush. I've got some petrol somewhere, and I'm going to give these all a proper clean, and then put it back together. This wire here I'm worried about the most, because I think that was shorting out onto the body, so I'll have to sort that out. Yeah, give that a clean, see if we can get this all sorted out. Fantastic. Oh, there he is over there. He's sitting waiting. He's saying, hurry up, fix me, fix me. Right, got everything cleaned up, I think. Let's put them back together. Complete. Right, got the battery on, got that connected to earth, got the positive on there. Now if I pretend to be the starter, oh, that's the puppy, that's what we want. Loosen this exhaust from here and here and try and get the starting motor back on. Right. It's taking some doing, but I've got it on, I think. Let's get the battery on. Right. Right. Got that one on there. Nip it up maybe, just in case. Oh, look, I had the right size spanner. Right then, let's give that a shot. Right, let's try this. Okay. And smell fuel. Yes, yes, yes. Right, okay, so it turns the engine over. I'll put the exhaust back on then. Right then, let's give this a shot. Suck any petrol up. Don't think you did you? Great. This guy was telling pork pies. Told me he had this thing running. The day he dropped it off. What a liar. Right. So, really, I need fuel, air, and a spark. So this is the fuel pump. I guess I should say, I mean, it's not actually sucking any fuel up. So this is no brittle pipe. This, I might just cut this. This could have an effect on the pump not working properly. So maybe if I just get rid of this, because that's just knackered. That really brittle, you can't see. Right, yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of this first, and then try and start it and see if I can get any fuel just to get sucked through. Maybe this is all blocked. I don't know, because it goes under there and it does something weird. I don't know. Right, so just try cranking it over. Absolutely nothing out of here. What next? Right, so I've got fuel here. Got my fuel can here. I can see the fuel here. So I'm going to crank the engine over and see if that pump actually tries to suck any of that fuel up. Right, so let us know if that's going up. Well, I'll probably see it. What?
Stop. You want me to stop?
Wait, so did the fuel move? Or just make sure you don't get your fingers out in the way. Put the rest of the petrol in. I'm just going to turn the key a few times until the battery goes flat. Okay. I think really I need to find out what that button on the left does, because when I pull that up it turns faster, and when it's down the engine turns over slower. Well, he's away for the night. I think it's time for beer.